So I have already said two videos on types of system. Okay, so this is the last video of the types of system. So first video I presented what do you mean by system, how many types of system. There are six types of system. First one is continuous time and discrete time system, static and dynamic system, causal non-causal system, linear and nonlinear system, time variant, time invariant system, stable, unstable system. So first video lecture I have completed up to first three system: continuous and discrete time system, static and dynamic system, causal and non-causal system. And in this video lecture and the second video lecture I have covered linear nonlinear system with problems. And in this video lecture I will cover time invariant, time variant system, and stable and unstable system. So what is time invariant system and what is time variant system? A system is said to be time invariant or time or shift invariant if its input output characteristic don't change with time. Time invariant means it don't change with time. So name suggests that which the time does not change. Okay, invariant. So according to the system is said to be time invariant, output does not change with time. System is to be time or shift variant if its input output characteristics change with time. If your time output changes, then it is called time variant. Input output characteristics changes with time is called time variant. If does not changes, then it is called time invariant. Let if x of t is the input, y of t is the output for the continuous time system. So we know that y of t is equal to t of x of t as of continuous time system. So the system is time variant if y of t minus t1 is equal to t of x minus x of t minus t1. What it means? Y of t minus t1 means in place of t, y of t minus t1 means in place of t in that equation what is given, put t minus t1. What is x of t minus t1? Transformation of x of t minus t1 means in bracket x of t, what is there? You put minus t1. So, what is it? I said in place of t, put t minus t1. That is y of t minus t1. Transformation of x of t minus t1 means you put in x bracket minus t1. So y of t minus t1. So this I said. Now similarly, so here what I said, y of t minus t1 means you have to put in place of t minus t1. X of t1 means bracket you write in x bracket minus t1. So similarly for x of n. So x of n input, okay, discrete time signal. If output is y of n, this is for discrete time signal, not continuous. Discrete time signal, then the system is time invariant if y of n minus k is equal to t of x of n minus k. Means in place of n, put n minus k. In place of n, put n minus k. Here x of n minus k means minus k you have to put. Okay, so here we will solve the problems after that LTI concept. LTI means if a differential equation you can see, okay, linear time invariant system. If the coefficient of the differential equation are constant, all the coefficients are constant, then it is called linear time invariant, or you can say it is time invariant system. If it that constant this what coefficients, any coefficient is time depend upon time or function of time, then it is called time variant system. For example, here coefficients are what? 2, 4, 5. Okay, so here these are all constant coefficients, though it is called linear time invariant system. So similarly d square y, here you can see coefficient is 40. 40 means time dependent, so it is non-linear system, time variant system. 40, so it is called time variant system. If coefficient it is function of time, it called time variant system. Okay, linear non-linear we cannot say, we have to check the equation. Superposition if it always, then it is linear, not always, then it is non-linear. Okay, so first problem, we have to check whether the following system determine whether the not the system is time variant or time invariant. Okay, so y of t is equal to what I said. You have to check y of t minus capital T is equal to transformation of x of t minus capital T. So first I will write y of t minus capital T. What I said, in place of t you write t minus t. So t minus t, x of t minus t. Okay, so here this is y of, then transformation of x of n t minus t. What is x of t minus t? What I said, in the bracket of x of t you write minus t. So it is t of x of t minus t. And you can see both are not equal. So y of t minus t not equal to t of x of t minus t is not equal. So this is called time variant system. If it equals, then it is called time invariant system. I think the concept is clear. First problem. Next we will go for the second problem. That is x of t cos 55t. So what I said, you have to start with y of t minus t, capital T. So what to do, in place of t you have to put t minus t. So x of t minus t cos 50 by t minus t. Okay, similarly for y of t minus t, okay, is over. Next second one is you have to do t of transformation of x of t minus t. So what is that? In the bracket of x you have to write t minus t. So it is x of t minus t. In the bracket you have to write minus t, put it. Okay, x of t minus t cos 50 pi t. It is not equal. One is saying t minus t, another is pi t. Okay, so not equal. st of x of t minus t not equal to, okay, y of t minus t. So it is time variant system. Okay, so third problem we can go, that is y of t is equal to x of t square. Okay, y of t is equal to x of t square. So what to do? First, what is the theorem? Says that y of t minus t is equal to transformation of x of t minus t. Then it is time invariant, otherwise time variant. Okay, so here I will write what is y of t minus t. In place of t put t minus t. So x of t minus t whole square. Okay, similarly what is the next thing? Transformation of x of t minus t. What to do? I have to write bracket, in x bracket minus t. So t square minus t. Okay, so you can see. Okay, so y of t minus t, this is t of x, it is x of t square. It is both are not equal. It is square, whole square, it is t square minus t. So y of t minus t not equal to transformation of x of t minus t. So the system is what? Time variant system. This system is time variant system. Okay, so next one, fourth one, x of minus t. So what I have to take, y of t minus t is equal to t of x of minus t. So I will calculate first y of t minus t. Means in place of t I have to put t minus t. So it will be what? X of minus t plus t. Next, transformation of x of t minus t. What to do? In place of x bracket you put minus t. So it is x of minus t minus t. Both are not equal. Y of t minus t not equal to transformation of x of t minus t. So it is time variant system. Next one is we can go for y of t is equal to e to the power x of t. So we have to calculate what? According to theorem, it says that y of t minus t is equal to transformation of x of t minus t. Okay, so it is y of t minus t is equal to e to the power x of what is said in place of t put t minus t, so it is x of t minus t. So second transformation of x of t minus t, x of t minus t, what I said, in place of x bracket put minus t, so it is over x of t minus t. Okay, so it is both are you can say equal, so it is time invariant. So y of t minus t is equal to transformation of x of t minus t, so it is time invariant. Okay, so next problem, y of n, now I am going to discrete time signals question. Y of n is equal to x of 2n. So same, y of n minus k is equal to transformation of x of n minus k. Okay, so here y of n minus k, what to do, in place of n put n minus k. So it is x of 2n minus 2k. Similarly, transformation of x of n minus k, what to do, only put minus k in the bracket of x of n. Okay, 2n minus k. So it is 2n minus 2k, it is 2n minus k. So not equal. Y of n minus k not equal to transformation of x of n minus k. So it is called what? This is time variant system. This is time variant system. So next, y of n is equal to x of n plus x n into x of n minus 1. Okay. So we have to do what? Y of n minus k is equal to t of x of n minus k. Okay. If it obeys, then that is time variant system. Sorry, that is time invariant system, otherwise time variant system. So y of n minus k, it is equal to x of n minus k plus, in place of n you have to put n minus k, so x of n minus k plus n minus k, x of n minus k minus 1. Okay, similarly transformation of x of n minus k, in place of x bracket put minus k extra, so this is x of n minus k plus n into x of n minus 1 minus k. So this is both are not equal because here n minus k it is n, so it is called time variant system. Why? Because y of n minus k not is equal to transformation of x of n minus k. Okay. Next, y of n is equal to x square of n minus 1. Okay. So what to write? Y of n minus k. So what it will be? In place of n you have to write n minus k. So x square of n minus k minus 1. Okay. Next is transformation of x of n minus k. It is equal to what? X square n minus 1 minus k. So you can see both are equal, y of n minus k and transformation of x of n minus k. So it is called time invariant system. Okay, so I think I am clear time invariant, time variant. So simple concept is y of n minus k is equal to transformation of x of n minus k, or you can say y of t minus capital T is equal to transformation of x of t minus capital T. Then it is called time invariant system. If does not obey, then time variant system. So here what to do, in place of t or in place of n, put t minus t or n minus k, and in for transformation of x of t minus t, put minus t in x bracket. Okay, that is the only concept. Similarly, x of n minus k, transformation of x of n minus k, put minus k in the x of bracket. So this is over a time invariant system and time variant system. Last topic of that system, stable versus unstable system. A arbitrary system or system is said to be stable, or we can say stable, bounded input, bounded output stable, if and only if Bounded input produces a bounded output, otherwise unstable. A system is said to be stable if bounded input produces a bounded output, otherwise unstable. Okay. So first question, y of t is equal to, we can say some questions we can solve. So for that we have to say, for continuous time system, what is transfer function? We are giving input, this is system, so this system has some function that is called transfer function. Okay, for continuous time system, if transfer function is stable if minus infinite to infinite h of t dt less than infinite. For discrete time system, it is stable if summation n equal to minus infinite to infinite mod of h of n is less than infinite. Okay, so first question, y of t is equal to t into x of t, whether the system is stable or not. First question. So you can see t ranges from minus infinite to infinite. If t is infinite, we can get output is infinite, as output y of t is infinite. So output y of t infinite means it is unbounded. It is unbounded, so it is called unstable. Okay. Similarly, y of t is equal to x of t by sin t. Sin varies from minus 1 to 1. 0 also will be there. Minus 1 to 1, 0 will be there. So if I write y of t is equal to, for example, y of 0. Okay. X of 0 y. Sin 0 is 0. So 0 something is infinite. So output is infinite. Infinite means unbounded. So this is called unstable system. So next one is y of t is equal to sin t xt. So here sin t means it varies from minus 1 to 1. So it is bounded. X of t, it is the bound of that input. So here output also bounded due to input. So it is called stable system. So it is called stable system. So now problems for this one. Okay. So whether the system is stable or not, you remember what is u of n. U of n is equal to 1 for n more than equal to 0. Okay, 0 otherwise. So u of minus n means it is equal to 1 for n less than equal to 0. Means negative part you will get it. Okay, so 0 minus 1 minus 2 will be 1. So u of minus n minus 1 and 0 otherwise. So a system is stable. What? Summation of n equal to minus infinite to infinite mod of h of n less than infinite. Okay, so if it obeys this condition, so I will calculate summation of n equal to minus infinite to infinite mod of hn. Okay, so it is mod of 2 to the n u of minus n. U of minus n varies for n less than 0, means minus infinite to 0. Okay, so it is equal to n is equal to minus infinite to 0, 2 to the power minus 2 to the n. U of minus n is 1 for this. Other case it is 0. So I am writing n is equal to. So I can change it to term. Let n is equal to minus n. Okay, let put m is equal to minus n. Okay, so m will be what? 0 to infinite as limit changes. So it will be 2 to the power minus m. So we know that summation of m is equal to 0 to infinite a to the power m is 1 by 1 minus a, condition that mod a should be less than 1. Here what is 2 to the power minus 1? Okay, a is where 2 inverse. So it is less than 1, 1 by 2. So it is equal to 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so what? 2 minus half is half. Okay, so it is 2. So you are getting this is not infinite less than, so it is called stable. Okay, so I think I am clear here. Simple formula, summation of n equal to 0 to infinite a to the n is equal to 1 by 1 minus a. Here I only simple put it, minus infinite to 0 is there. So I put m is equal to minus n so that the limit changes. Okay. Similarly, second question is, what? H of n is equal to, okay. What is h of n? H of n is equal to 5 to the power n u of 3 minus n. H of n is equal to 5 to the n u of 3 minus n. Okay. So we have to solve same h of n. We have to calculate. We have to process it. Okay. So 3 minus n. U of 3 minus n means what? You have to, u of minus n means I have said 1 for 3 minus n plus 3 means 3 right shift. Okay. So what you have to write? U of 3 minus n. So it will be 1 for n less than equal to 3. 3 right shift. Okay. Otherwise 0. So summation will be minus infinite n equal to minus infinite to 3. Okay. 5 to the n. Same concept. Summation of n equal to minus infinite to infinite mod of h of n is what? You can say summation of n equal to minus infinite to infinite 5 to the n u of 3 minus n. But 3 minus n, only u of 3 minus n exists for minus infinite to 3. So I only written minus infinite to 3. So now I can change it to summation of n is equal to minus infinite to 0, or I can say, okay, minus infinite to 0, 5 to the power n plus n is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay, because 0 over, so 1, 2, 3, 5 to the power n. So n equal to minus infinite, same concept I will put n is equal to m. So it will be m is equal to 0 to infinite 5 to the m minus m, because minus n I did n equal to minus m plus 5 to the 3 means 5 1 5 plus 25 plus 125. Okay, so it will be 1 by 5 to the means 1 by 1 minus a, because we know that summation of n is equal to 0 to infinite a to the n is 1 by 1 minus a, condition that a should be less than 1. So it will be 1 by 1 minus 1 by 5 plus this values 5 plus 25 plus, so it will be 155. So it will be integer only, 1 by 1 minus 5 integer, or we can say a value, not integer, we can say a value not infinite, it is a finite value, we can say it is a finite value. Okay, so yes, finite. So this system is what? Stable system. Okay, similarly next concept, e to the power 2n u of n minus 1. Okay, so e to the 2n u of n minus 1, what is the formula? First is summation of n equal to minus infinite to infinite mode of h of n. Another thing, u of n minus 1 means 1 right shift. U of n is equal to more than equal to 0, it is 1. So u of n minus 1 means 1 right shift. So is equal to 1 for n more than or equal to 1, 0 otherwise. Okay, so it will be summation of n equal to minus infinite to infinite u to the power 2n u of n minus 1. Okay, u of 2 of n minus 1. So u of n minus 1 exists for more than 1, less than 1 it is 0. So I will write n equal to 1 to infinite. Okay, e to the power 2n. So e to the power 2n means it is not, this e to the 2 is not less than 1. Okay, so e to the 2n means e to the 2. If I put n is equal to 1, e to the 2, e to the 4, up to infinite it will go. It will be infinite. As it is infinite, it should be less than infinite means stable. As it is infinite, it is what? Unstable. So h of n is equal to e to the 2n u of n minus 1 is unstable system. Next question, e to the power minus 6 mod n. So mod means when n is negative, it is minus n. When n is positive, mod n is n. Okay, so now h of n. So what is the formula? Summation of n equal to minus infinite to infinite h of n. So summation of n equal to minus infinite to infinite e to the power minus 6 mod n. So what to divide? We have to divide two parts. Summation of n equal to minus infinite to 0 e to the power minus 6 minus n plus summation of n equal to 0 to infinite e to the power minus 6. My mode n is for positive, it is n. So two zeros are there, minus, put e to the power minus 6n means e to the power 0. Okay, n is 0. So now this will be n equal to minus infinite to infinite means n equal to 0 to infinite, it will be minus 6n. So 1 by 1 minus e to the power minus 6 plus same 1 by 1 minus a 1 by 1 minus to the minus 6 minus 1. Okay, so this will be output 1 by 1 minus. So this is a integer, this is a finite value. Okay, so this is a stable system. Okay, h of n is equal to e to the minus 6 system is a stable because the values is less than infinite. Now problem, fifth question. Okay, so fifth question is our e to the power h of t is e to the minus. What is the formula? Integration of minus infinite to infinite h of t mod of h of t dt. Okay, so it should be less than infinite. Okay, so u of t minus 1. So u of t minus 1 is equal to, u of t means it is 1, this is u of t curve. Okay, it is 0, more than 0 it is 1. So t minus 1 means 1 unit, right? Except for here it will come u of t minus 1. Okay, so u of t minus 1 means what we will get? It is equal to 1 for t more than equal to 1, 0 otherwise. Okay, so now what is the integration? Minus infinite to infinite h of t. H of t means h of t dt. Okay, so it is equal to minus infinite to infinite to the minus 2t u of t minus 1, u of t minus 1 dt. So it exists for what? 1 to infinite, 1 to infinite to the minus 2t dt. Okay, it is equal to e to the minus 2t by, what is integration? Minus 2t by minus 2. T is equal to 1 to infinite. E to the minus infinite is 0, 0 minus e to the minus 2, okay, by minus 2. So it is equal to e to the power minus 2 by 2, minus minus first. So it is less than infinite. Okay, as this condition satisfies, so this is the stable system. So next question, h of t is equal to t into u to the, e to the minus t. H of t is equal to t into e to the minus t u of t. Okay, question is what? H of t is equal to t into e to the minus t u of t. So we have to go the same process. What? First h of t is t into the minus t u of t. Okay, so now we have to do integration. So integration of minus infinite to infinite t e to the minus t u of t. Okay, dt. So u of t means it is existing for more than 0. Okay, 0 to infinite. So integration of 0 to infinite t e to the minus t dt. So you know that uv rule, u integration of uv means u integration of v minus derivative of u integration of v whole integration dv. Okay, so here what will be? T integration of it minus t minus d by dt of t, it is 1 integration of it minus t whole integration dt. Okay, so it is minus t to the minus t, because it minus t is by minus 1, so it minus t into the minus t. T is equal to 0 to infinite minus, okay, minus what? Minus we are putting e to the power, e to the minus t is minus e to the minus t, minus minus is plus, so I am getting minus e to the minus t. Okay, so this then t is equal to 0 to infinite. So if infinite minus infinite, okay, so this will be e to the minus t 0. Okay, So whatever you getting 0 minus 0, okay. Similarly, e to the minus t, e to the minus t is what? Infinite means 0 minus 1, e to the 0 is 1 by 1. Okay. So it is 1 we will get, because minus is there, so 1 we will get, it is less than infinite. So this system is stable system. This system is stable system. Next question. H of t. I said modulus of t. Modulus of t means it is if t negative, that is minus t. If t positive, that is plus t. Okay. So we have to do integration of minus infinite to infinite h of t modulus dt. So it is integration of minus infinite to infinite to the minus 2 mod t dt. So it is equal to integration of minus infinite to 0 to the minus 2 minus t dt, okay, plus integration of 0 to infinite e to the minus 2t dt. So it will be minus infinite to 0 e to the 2t dt plus integration of e to the power 0 to infinite e to the minus 2t dt. Okay, integration of 2t means it was 2t by 2, t is equal to 0 minus infinite to 0 plus e to the 2t by minus 2, t is equal to 0 to infinite. Okay, so here you will get it was 2t, it was 2 0 is 1 minus 0 by 2 plus, okay, this is equal to minus 2t. So minus 2 means 0 minus 1 e to the power 0 is 1 by minus 2. So how much you are getting? 1 by 2, 1. Okay, so 1 less than infinite, so system is stable. Okay, so last question is h of t is equal to e to the power 2t u of t minus 1. H of t is equal to e to the power 2t u of t minus 1. So as I already said, u of t minus 1, 1 minus 1 unit right shift. So it will come u of t minus 1 is 1 for t more than equal to 1. Okay, so u of t minus 1 is equal to 1 for t more than equal to 1. Okay, so e to the power, what you will get? So h of t is equal to u of t minus 1 is 1 for t more than is equal to 1. Okay, so now otherwise 0. So integration of minus infinite to infinite is 2t u of t minus 1 dt. So it will be 1 to infinite, it will come. So integration of 1 to infinite e to the power 2t dt. So it will be e to the power 2t by 2, t is equal to 1 to infinite. So it will be e to the power 2 infinite minus e to the power 2 by 2. E to the 2 infinite is infinite, so it will be infinite. So as it is infinite, the system is unstable. So e to the 2t ut is u of t minus 1 is unstable. So thank you. So total in this 3 video lectures I covered what is system. System is, it is physical realization, okay, of the operation performed the signal or software, physical or software relation of the operation performed signal. Types of system I said, first one is continuous time and discrete time system. Second one is static and dynamic system, causal and non-causal system. After that second video lecture I will cover time variant, time invariant system. Two types of problem, if some normal problem is given, another one is differential equation or integration given, how to solve it. Third, I said today's lecture I completed time invariant system. Time invariant means we have to check y of n minus k is equal to y of t of x of n minus k, or y of t minus capital T is equal to transformation of x of t minus capital T. Okay, so in place of t, y of t minus t means in place of t you are putting t minus t. Similar for n, similar for t of x of t minus t is equal to, you have to put minus t in x of bracket. Okay, then stable, unstable, we are checking bounded input produce a bounded output or not. For transfer function, if given, if system is stable means integration of minus infinite to infinite h of t dt less than infinite. Similarly, summation of n equal to minus infinite to infinite mode of h of n less than infinite. If in this case satisfies, then this is a, can say the system is stable system. Otherwise, system is unstable system. So thank you. So this types of system is over. Next video lecture I may upload the Fourier transform introduction. Thank you.